Hi, I'm Debbie Reed, and today I'm going to make you a little appetizer based on a Hawaiian pizza. And one thing I've noticed, a lot of times, you're having friends over or going to a party, and you fall into the same rut of bringing the same thing over and over. Now sometimes that's not bad because you're known for a special dish, but sometimes you do want to jazz it up and bring something different. So I took the concept of a Hawaiian pizza and I'm turning it into a little, well, 1 to 2 bite appetizer actually. So what I'm starting with is actually some of the Philadelphia brand cream cheese pineapple. So I have softened that and placed it in the bowl, and it's all it's nice and workable now. Then this is just some deli ham. It's thinly sliced, and what I did is I minced it up really fine. I don't know if you can tell on that, but so it mixes in really well, and you don't get a big huge bite of the of just ham. Since they're so small, you want to make sure you're really getting a little bit of everything. So get all that in there. Then I have a little bit of some very thinly shredded mozzarella cheese. That's going to go in there. And that is actually it for our filling. So we're going to stir that all together. And what I'm going to actually fill them in, put the filling in, you can buy them ready-made, frozen in the grocery store, which is probably good because they'd be probably hard to make by yourself. But they are little phyllo dough cups, really small. Like I said, more probably a 2 bite than a 1 bite because they can be a little bit big, especially when we fill them. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to go ahead, fill a few of them for you, show you how we do it, and then we're going to top them with a little bit of some already pre-cooked bacon and bake them off for just a few minutes, just to heat them through. These are already ready to go when you take them out of the freezer. You let them thaw for a few minutes, and you can go ahead and eat them cold if you put like something cold in it, like a chicken salad or something like that. But you can go ahead and put a warm appetizer in there, which is what we're going to do today. So all you want to do, let me take this over here, let me move this out of the way. Bring this over so I can have somewhere to put this for you. Alright, so we're going to take a little bit of our filling, that like that for you, and all we're going to do is fill it up. We want to put a good little amount in there. There we go. And then, like I said, this is some already cooked up bacon. I just chopped it up, kind of fine, diced it before I cooked it off for 3-4 minutes so it's nice and crispy. And then we're going to put a little bit of some bacon on top. So that's going to be our little appetizer. So I finish, I'll go ahead and finish filling these up, put them in the oven, 350 for probably maybe 5 minutes. Not much more than that. Like I said, the filling, everything in here is really cooked. You just really want to heat it through to make it nice and warm and bubbly, and it'll be all ready to go. So I'll finish doing this, put them in the oven, and I'll see you back here in just a few minutes. Okay, our little appetizers are ready. Had them in the oven for 5 minutes. Just really wanted to heat them through. Of course, everything in there was already cooked. You want to be kind of careful because the little phyllo cups are a little bit delicate. You don't want to leave them in there too long and burn them. So really just heating through the filling, and then they're ready to go. So there we go, put a few on a plate. And just to recap again, this was a take on a Hawaiian pizza. The filling consists, of course, of Philadelphia cream cheese with the pineapple in it, a little bit of some chopped ham, mixed together, put in the little phyllo cup, and then some bacon on top, 5 minutes in the oven, and they're ready to go. The little phyllo cups, really easy. You find them frozen in your grocery store in the freezer section. Take them out, thaw them in a few minutes, and they're ready to go. So I think they're probably cool enough. I'll take a little bite of one, because don't they look delicious? All that little wonderful bacon on top. How can that be bad? Get that crunch from the phyllo and the bacon. It's really good. It's really different. It's something most people wouldn't expect in a little appetizer. I think you're going to love them. I hope you try them. Thank you.